1, 2, 3, 4. There goes the cuckoo bird out the door. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. We're not happy. Sorry. What's wrong?
Oh no. The cuckoo bird is stuck outside.
He's outside. Maybe he's cold.
Cold? Maybe he's dirty. Dirty? Yeah. We have to help the cuckoo bird.
We have to help the cuckoo bird.
We have to help the cuckoo bird.
We have to help the cuckoo bird. Shake, snap, give me a tap, elbow me, beep! Now I'm so sad. This is so very bad. What are we gonna do in a class without a cuckoo? Oh, what will we do? Pass me the brush.
The what?
The brush.
The what?
The brush.
Oh, the brush. Pass me the cloth.
The what?
The cloth.
The what?
The cloth.
Oh, the cloth. Pass me the tape.
The what?
The tape.
The what?
The tape.
Oh,